Welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and today I'll be planting carrots and peas in here. Let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna remove the base and I'm gonna replant them. I'll cut down the majora, and I'm gonna pull out this radish, which I know you shouldn't do because it's not gonna grow, but I'm just growing it for seeds, so it's fine. But this one I'm gonna leave in. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave this one on, and there's another one or two here that is going to seed, so I'm just gonna leave that. So there's it. I'm just gonna put it in my bolt-on machine and let it dry out. So this is chicken manure. Let's put the basil on top. So everything is out what I wanted out, and now I'm just gonna prep the soil, and by that I'm just gonna look really for stones like here, and then I'll fertilize once the seeds germinate. So I'm just looking for stones so for the carrots, so that the carrots can grow properly, and also I'm just making the soil a bit loose for the seedlings, for the seeds. So I'm just making the soil loose for the seeds. Okay, so I'm just gonna make the rows now. So here it is. It's about a centimeter deep, and spacing is 2 centimeters each row apart. And the peas I'm just gonna plant there at the back. There's the carrots ideal red. So I'm gonna try to space them out while I plant them, so I don't have to thin them out so much. Here's the seeds. Okay, so that didn't work out because I did throw quite a lot on the same areas, so I'll try using my hands and not straight out of the packet. Okay, so the carrots is in. It's time to get the peas in now. Just gonna cover up the rows, and then yeah. I'm trying to put in 2 peas in front of each of us bars here. There's the pea seeds. So I made it 2 centimeters deep. So 2 seeds in each hole. So I'm gonna water them, then I'm gonna put this shade cloth on top of it until the carrots germinate. So yeah, I'll be back when the carrots and the peas germinate. Since I sowed the carrots and the peas, let's check. So the peas did germinate. So there's one. So one came out of there. 2, 2, 2, and 2, and there's another 2. Nope, just one. No, there's the other one. We don't need the carrots. So most in the front few rows germinated. macaroons didn't yet germinate, but there is one there. So the others will come their way. Check in the next 9 days how they look again. So it's May 22nd now. It's 13 days since it germinated, which was on the May the 9th. So it took them 13 days to get this big, so we have 9 days to germinate. You can see there's empty spots here where some didn't come out. So it's fine because I'm going to be planting the sage there once the carrots get a bit bigger. Some of the carrots are already getting their true leaves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you see, leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Backyard out.